Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect to Wi-Fi network and how to disconnect. So first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to go to your home key and then you can use the mouse if you want. So in our case here, let me just go with the selection. So you go to settings if you're in the home. So now our home is here. Then you click this side, then you navigate to the settings, then you go to network. Then here you can select a network you want. If you're connected on a network that doesn't have internet, you go ahead and disconnect. So here I'm going to say forget, and when I forget, I go back and look. You can look for the network you want, then you can say okay, then you enter the password. So right here, so you're going to input our password that we created. In our case here, so you're going to wait for the password. So when it's done, so I just created this password for just a few, for the demonstration. Then after you connect, so when the TV is connected, you can go ahead and click the home key, you can exit, and you can go to the application that you have. In your case, if you have YouTube, Facebook, any. So I'm going to stop from here. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload this video like this. This was a Vitron Smart TV. Have a nice time. Goodbye.